Hi friends, this is Janaki. In this video, I am going to show you how to make tasty green apple pickle with moong dal. Green apple helps in reducing the body weight and it contains a lot of fiber which is good for digestion. It cures constipation problems. It reduces blood pressure. Blood sugar also gets stabilized. It contains protein. It has plenty of vitamins such as vitamin C, vitamin A, riboflavin and vitamin B6. It helps in preventing liver problems also. Now let's see the ingredients needed for this pickle. 1 green apple, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 5 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 5 tablespoon of salt, 1 cup of moong dal, 4 lemon, 4 garlic, 100 ml of olive oil. For seasoning, 5 red chillies, 1 by 4th tablespoon of mustard, 1 by 4th tablespoon of jeera, 5 curry leaves, hing that is asafoetida, 1 by 4th tablespoon is required. Now let's see each item. 1 green apple, wash and dry it. 4 lemon, 1 cup of moong dal, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, salt, garlic, olive oil. Seasoning items: chana dal, hing that is asafoetida, red chillies and curry leaves, mustard, jeera, vegetable cutter. Take 100 ml of olive oil, and keep it aside. Now let's begin the process. Cut the apple into small pieces. I am using vegetable cutter. You can cut with knife also. After cutting the apple, just transfer those apple pieces into a bowl. Add turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons of salt, five tablespoons of red chilli powder. Mix it well so that all the spices will get absorbed to the apple pieces. Then add the garlic pieces. Mix well. Heat the pan and fry 1 cup of moong dal until light color change. Then take the fried moong dal into a bowl. Then grind the moong dal. Make it into a fine powder. Take that powder in a bowl. Add that powder to the green apple mixture. Mix well. Heat the oil. Add red chillies. chana dal. Fry them until light color change. Add mustard, zeera, and fry them until it splutters. Then add hing, that is asafoetida. Finally add curry leaves. Then pour that hot seasoning mixture into the green apple mixture. If you add hot seasoning mixture, that helps the green apple pieces to cook light, which helps to soak quickly. Make sure the masala is mixed well with the apple pieces. Cut the lemon and squeeze the lemon juice. And add 2 tablespoons of salt. Mix it well. That's all. Yummy green apple pickle with moong dal is ready. Just keep it for one day, then you can have it. Now transfer it to the airtight container. Add some more olive oil to the pickle at the final stage so that it soaks along with the pickle and it tastes very good and also makes pickle to stay long. Now close it with the lid and keep it for one day. Nothing in this pickle is harm to health. Even though it is a pickle, it's really healthy. You can mix with hot rice and ghee and everyone loves this pickle. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos, visit thankyouchef.com and YouTube channel. Please send your comments at thankyouchef@gmail.com.